Hello and welcome back. Today I'm working in my mixed media journal and I'm using some Tattered Angels and some Seven Gypsies architectures. This is really cool. You can use it as a piece just in a mixed media page, or for today I'm using it as a stencil. So I'm going to kind of cover the other parts of my background because I was trying to avoid just like rectangle edges, but I still end up getting them. But in the end, it looks okay. And then I'm spraying some of the Tattered Angels mist, and I'm looking at the color. It is, not sure. I'm not sure what it is. The name is removed. Anyway, it's like a brown, as you can see. And I'm just spraying it around, some places darker than others. And this is kind of a fun page because on the left there's canvas and then on the right is the watercolor paper. So I thought it was kind of a fun effect. So the ultimate thing I was working with in the end with this page is I'm using some Calico Collage designs, her digital images. And you'll see those in a minute as I kind of work on the background a little bit. And I thought, what a fun way to use digital images that's not always in a junk journal. So I thought, okay, I'm going to try it in my mixed media journal. And so you'll see in a little bit some of the images that I have. And I'll link below what kits I'm using the images from the Calico Collage. She has tons of images. Really, I mean, lots and lots. So I'm just kind of collaging and adding some vintage music sheets here. And really all this one is just kind of me building up until I get it to where I want it to, kind of where I feel like it's finished. So what I thought I would do is put in some music and kind of let you watch my process. All right, thanks again so much for watching. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.